Hello friends, good morning. My name is Princey Safani. Today I would like to talk about importance of sports. So listen me carefully. Sports is very necessary in a student's life. Sports bring discipline our lives. Sports make us more focused to our goals. We cannot achieve such a focus and any other fields. Sports sport teach make us physical and mentally strong. Sport teach sport teach all emotion issues. Playing Playing games help to develop skills such counting, calculation, vocabulary, many more. Uh, sports uh, also uh, sports also uh, improve personality of people. Sports can be career option of lot of students. Sports reduce the stress of the mind. Sports improve the thinking ability. Thank you so much.